Engarenok akaisango na lokany kere lwapote Esisiak luo somero lochochi agal senior secondary school koseutu kisaponi kisiboi kinai age unaitoloti pelwe kikech.
We were commissioning or handing over the old prefect body to the new prefect. The elections were handled last week, whereby the vote counting, open air campaigns were done, and the elections went free. There was no petition.
Abuda Justin Oriokot atupito napolone somero kalo kichorak Engarenok luitetiaka lu Araut Aanyunet na Ajokan.
My call on the new prefect, I asked them to be exemplary leaders. They should work hand in hand with the school administration, should work hand in hand with the teachers on duty to execute the daily run of the school.
Esomerolo nesi nyalal apesurukai sapada ido Joshua Kelo lo apoto Esisiak koseutu kwape lebuna yaite kesi adaune karediopet ngesi sumunit aikeun adoketait na ijana kin koipone sholo egelegela.
Akapa kinango aikeun jana kine ka eupone lo Ecorakin asumanoto mosomero ka boboda ay sukunyun luce edue lejasi kina aya unkesi orasio jamunete akupa kinga upakino somero opone lo ngai tolo mu pone so Ajokan lejasi edue lejasi somero kai mwalimu kere anata patana rashoma otoma somero kalo
Esisiak chieda kesapotu kitodiasi akapana kina kech aijana kin.
We are so happy and glad that everything went well, and I'm promising to work hard and make sure that I achieve the best.
Lolongesa jare handover Louis prefects Lumojo. Konye they handed us with happiness. We enjoyed what do sumunte ngoda. Asoma depetoni soma ito skesi.
I will make sure that I fight for the unity of the students, togetherness, and not only to remain at school here, but to proceed to the district level and the national level as well.
Kanuka TV East, Patrick Eteu, kwa Muria.